So the wind has shifted to the other side of the Forerunner, so I'm going to do all the prep indoors with Gunther's help. Right, bud? So a while back I did apple crisp, but it's peach season again, and our tree is pumping out just pounds and pounds of these delicious gems. So I'm going to do peach crisp, and it's super simple. It's just peaches or apples or whatever, and granola, because when you think about crisp, the ingredients are like oats, brown sugar, cinnamon, stuff like that, butter, same stuff that granola is made out of. So I did run into one problem because I thought I had cinnamon sugar, but what this actually is oatmeal with cinnamon and sugar in it. But I am going to roll with it, and we'll just have more oats. So that is it. Oh, I need one more thing, which is butter. So that is it. No. You wish. Do some butter. Granola. I know, it sounds like dog food. Okay. Oh yeah, it did get bruised on the top. Sir, you do have some regular sugar. Okay. All right, I got some snacks while this is cooking. And let's do it. We still got a ways to go yet. Oh, now we're looking good. There we have it. Definitely not pick-upable, but that wasn't really the goal. Our peaches are nice and done, tender. Our crisp is crisp. I was messing around with time-lapse night photography, and the other side started to get a little char on it. I know a lot of people like to put ice cream or something creamy on it. I really don't, but I do have sweetened condensed milk if I wanted to do that. Those peaches, man, I can never go back to grocery store peaches. The local rodents are gonna feast tonight, as long as it's this and not my wiring. Now that I have some coffee in me, I can start thinking about breakfast. In addition to peaches, the garden is also, actually they're about done, producing boatloads of wonderful mulberries. So these are from our mulberry tree. And I'm going to make a really, again, like 3 ingredients, I think. Yeah, 3 ingredient cobbler using instant biscuit mix. You just add water, the berries, sugar, and that's it. That's all it takes. So I think this is about a 1/2 cup of mix. And I don't like a super sweet cobbler, but if you want to add a little sugar to this, you can. I like it as is. And you want it like, I don't know, cake batter consistency. Thicker than pancake, but still relatively, you know, spreadable, pourable. I'm just going to use the bag as always because I'm lazy. I hate dishes. Hopefully it's not too thin because there's no going back. Oopsie. Maybe a little more. That's probably a good amount. Don't want to overfill. I would never do that. Spread her around. And you can use, of course, blueberries or, I don't know, whatever kind of berries you want. Blackberries. Any soft fruit. Thing about mulberries, they stain, which I'm sure a lot of you know. That's probably gonna do it. Sugar. Try and get some in the pan. And as these berries cook and soften, the juices will melt with the sugar and make like a syrup. Kind of like a medium heat. I have it lifted kind of high above the flame. I'm still going to turn it down just a hair. Get that going. I can mess with my new toy. Let's put this thing in here. Here. 1, 2. Cobbler check. Oh yeah, looking pretty good. I wouldn't do anything until the edges start looking a little brown and golden. There we go. Oh yeah, I think we're safe to flip now. It is like, I don't know, 75% cooked, 85% cooked. And then we'll just let the berry side cook for a little bit. It's got the sugar, so it has a potential to burn. So I'm going to turn it down just to the bare minimum. Oh, look at that. Yes. Yes. All right, we're ready. Careful. Careful, Bubba. Oh, yeah. Nice and steamy. Let's do this way. This way. And I have put sweetened condensed milk, a little drizzle on it, but I honestly don't think it needs a darn thing. But if you like something sweeter, a little goopier, you can definitely do that. Yeah, we did. Let's take this little overhanging corner off. That's a big plate. Oh, pretty good though. Get on there. Yeah, does not need a thing. I can't tell if you're sitting. Sit down. Sit. You know how to sit.